Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullus in the kitchen. Today now I'm making an easy method of veg sambar. It's with the help of homemade sambar masala, and check the ingredients: vegetables, carrot, beans, and dosakai, and bottle gourd, and small onions is best for sambar to taste this sweet, and sliced tomatoes. Let's make this sambar. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. First take the vessel and pour a little bit oil. Little bit oil, then add carrot and beans. First make the vegetables fry, cook it nicely, then add Indian tadaka after. Next add bottle gourd, and tomatoes, and cook it on a low flame. Add little bit of turmeric powder, and mix it nicely. Add a little bit of salt and chili powder, cook it nicely. Keep the deccan and cook it for 5 minutes on low flame. Already I taken dal and boiled. For 1 glass of dal, you can pour 2 glasses of water or 3. Then add green chilies and turmeric and little bit of 2 tablespoons of oil. Then boil it and make like this. Pour water, and boiled dal is completed. For sambar, vegetables boiling is over. You can see. Now I am adding tamarind pulp. How much salt you want in sambar? For 1 kg dal, 300 grams of tamarind pulp is enough. Measure like that quantity. And for the next few minutes, and add dal and water. Pour water. Now pour the boiled dal into the boiling vegetables, and boil it nicely. Then at last add the masala and Indian tadaka tempering. Sambar is done. Dal cooked very well. Then add sambar powder. It's an homemade sambar powder. Add 3 tablespoons. It's homemade masala, you can add at your wish. For beginners, The sambar is very easy to make. Add round onions small into the boiling dal. In another side, take the kadai, add oil, then add Indian tadaka, red chilies, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, and next add garlic, peeled garlic. Next add curry leaves and sambar podi, Tamil Nadu inguva. It's healthy for stomach, digestion. Then add methi seeds for body cooling and fry it nicely. You can see the tadaka. Tadaka into the boiling dal and boil it nicely. And you can see the air bubbles on top. When you get this, it will well done cook and don't spoil for 2 days when you keep in preservatives. And cook it for 5 minutes. In the next video, I will tell the secret of sambar masala homemade. I will explain the full details about sambar masala, how to make. It's an easy curry to make. Next add coriander on top. Then remove it. Wow, nice sambar is done. Finally, the sambar is over and now I am tasting how it looks. Bottle guard. Pretty hot. And it's an famous in Tamil Nadu. We can add inguva for stomach digestion, and it is very useful for health benefits too. And don't eat inguva so much in curries. It will affect the stomach also. Eat little bit. And thanks for watching.